The Lincoln Town Car is a full-size luxury sedan that has long been associated with elegance, comfort, and smooth ride. During the years 1990 and 1992, the Lincoln Town Car underwent a few changes and updates to further enhance its appeal. In terms of design, the 1990-1992 Lincoln Town Car retained its classic and distinctive appearance. It featured a long, sleek body with a prominent grille and chrome accents, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The town car was known for its spacious interior, providing ample legroom and comfort for both the driver and passengers. Under the hood, the 1990-92 town car was equipped with a 5-liter V8 engine. This engine offered sufficient power and smooth acceleration, making it well suited for highway cruising and city driving. It was mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear changes and effortless driving experience. One notable update during this period was the introduction of the air suspension system, known as automatic ride control. This system automatically adjusted the suspension based on the road conditions, providing a smooth and comfortable ride regardless of the terrain. This feature contributed to the town car's reputation for delivering a plush and luxurious driving experience. The interior of this car was adorned with high-quality materials and fine craftsmanship. Plush seats, leather upholstery, and wood trim accents added to the overall luxurious ambience. The cabin was designed to prioritize passenger comfort, with a spacious rear seat area that allowed passengers to stretch out and relax during long journeys. In terms of technology, this car offered various features that were considered advanced for their time. This included power-adjustable seats, power windows, power door locks, and a premium sound system. Additionally, safety features such as anti-lock brakes and dual front airbags were included to ensure the well-being of the occupants. The Lincoln Town Car of early 90s was popular among business executives, luxury car enthusiasts, and those seeking a comfortable and refined driving experience. Its combination of classic styling, powerful engine, advanced features, and luxurious interior made it a top choice in the luxury sedan segment. Overall, 1990-1992 Lincoln Town Car was a prime example of American luxury and comfort.